Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today's special recipe is a homemade donut without egg and yeast, which is crispy from outside and soft inside. So let's get started. For that, take 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half cup of sugar. Now mix until the sugar gets completely dissolved and keep aside. Now in another bowl, take 2.5 cup of maida, add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of butter, followed by pinch of salt. Now give it a nice mix and add milk sugar vinegar mixture in a batches. Again mix it well and knead the dough constantly for add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk if required. Dough for the donuts will be slightly sticky. Add some nutmeg or cinnamon powder to get it a bakery style flavor. Again mix and now tuck it inside. Apply 1 tablespoon of oil over the dough to make it soft. Now cover it. You can use plates and rest it for 1.5 hours at least. Now after the rest, let's knead it again for 5 minutes. Now it's time to roll. Dust some flour on a board and take 1 roundel. Roll it. It will be slightly thick as compared to the roti we make. Now if you have a donut cutter, use it to give a desirable shape, or you can use the utensil like me to cut the donut shape. Remove the excess dough. Get out in another plate and it is ready to fry. Now heat an oil on a medium flame and add donuts. Fry till it's get golden brown in color from both sides. Repeat with another batches of dough. And here we go, our donuts are ready. Let's check it out. You can see they are perfectly cooked from inside all. Now take some dark chocolate and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds to melt. You can use a double boiler method to melt the chocolate. Now dip the donuts in a chocolate from one side and dust some icing sugar on it. Now our chocolate donuts are also ready. Give this recipe a try at home and let me know in a comment about your experience. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!